Career choice. Finding your path. Choosing a career is an important step in everyone's life. It is like choosing a path for our future. Everyone has different dreams about what they want to be when they grow up. Some might want to be doctors, teachers, engineers, artists, or even astronauts. But how do you decide which career is best for you? 1. Understand yourself. Before choosing a career, it's good to understand what you like and what you are good at. Think about your hobbies and interests. If you love to draw, maybe you could think about a job in art or design. If you love to help people, perhaps a job in medicine or teaching might be good for you. 2. Research different careers. Once you have an idea of what you like, start researching different careers. You can read books, search online, or talk to people who work in those jobs. For example, if you are interested in being a doctor, you might want to find out what doctors do every day, how long they study, and what subjects they need to be good at. 3. Education and training. Different careers need different types of education and training. For some jobs, you might need to go to university for many years. For others, you might need special training or courses. It's important to find out what qualifications you need for the career you are interested in. 4. Think about lifestyle. When choosing a career, also think about the lifestyle it will give you. Some jobs might mean you will have to travel a lot. Others might need you to work at night or on weekends. Think about what kind of life you want to have. Do you want a job with regular hours? Do you want to work in an office or outdoors? 5. Talk to someone. It's always a good idea to talk to someone about your career ideas. This could be a teacher, a parent, or a friend. They might give you advice or tell you about jobs you haven't thought of before. 6. Experience is important. If you can, try to get some experience in the job you are interested in. This could be through work experience at school or a part-time job. It will give you a better idea of what the job is really like. 7. It's okay to change your mind. Remember, it's okay to change your mind. Just because you choose a career now doesn't mean you have to stick with it forever. People often change careers many times in their life. 8. Believe in yourself. Choosing a career can be hard, but it's important to believe in yourself. Whatever you choose, work hard and try your best. With determination and passion, you can achieve your dreams. Conclusion. In the end, choosing a career is a personal decision. Everyone has their own journey. What's most important is to find a job that makes you happy and fulfilled. So take your time, do your research, and always believe in yourself. Your perfect career is out there waiting for you.